Hi, I'm Triston,
I'm Ryan.
and today we're going to be trying crickets. We have sour cream and onion, bacon and cheese, and salt and vinegar. And let's get into the video.
Good.
I'm going to do same one, sour cream and onion.
Oh, I hate the smell.
The eyes. I should take sunflower seeds. It's a lot better than I thought it would be.
Now I'm gonna try bacon cheese. This is so big.
You want to eat one?
Uh-huh.
Okay, what I'm going to do for the video.
It tastes good.
It tastes the same, just a little bit more salty.
Ew. I don't want to do this. How about if I eat it first?
Maybe try bacon and cheese now.
It's so salty. It smells like cardboard.
You don't really seem like bacon and cheese to me. You don't really have much of a taste.
The only time I would eat these is today. And how I think about this, yuck. I think about this, yucky. This one is okay. Ew.
And for me, though, none of them are really bad. Some don't really have flavor, like the bacon and cheese, the salt and vinegar. It's just a little bit more salty. And the sour cream and onion actually has a flavor, so I like that one the most. Bye guys.
Bye.